Lovely. All right. Cool. Alarm going up. It's the live alarm. It's time to go live, dude. At freaking 1:21 in the morning. Let me see. I just got it. No, I'm not on yet. If anybody's watching, hey, we're just getting started. We're just getting the live rolling. We want to make sure it is good to go. Looks like we're looking at CoinGecko. All right, we're good to go, man. Yeah, cool. Oh, so let me try and say something. Yeah. Oh, it says sign in the chat again. That's bullshit. Um, it's well, I'm on my work laptop, so it's like I need to go to this other page that's like a personal, and then I'm already signed into that YouTube account on a different like part of Chrome browser. Know. Crypto market crash. Holy shit, dude. Dude, no kidding. The market is fucking crashing. Hold on. What is the current value of Bitcoin, dude? Let's just refresh that CoinGecko page. Is that it's 61,800? Okay. Oh shit. Okay. So all right. So let's look at that chart, Corey, that we were talking about before. Okay. Let's zoom in like a little bit and let's see those levels that we were looking at before. Like let's cut out like that whole right side of the screen. Yeah. Let's zoom. Yeah. Let's just focus on that. So if you see, you scroll down, you see where that level is right there. I think it's 60,800. So if you look across where that huge green bar ends, that's a level of support. I think that you see the huge green bar, the bottom of it. So that's like that is definitely a line of support right there at 60,800. So that right there, that would that would support this drop a little bit. um, but if we're talking about real lines of support for Bitcoin, we're talking about where is that? If we go lower, oh, that's the 60,800. I think they were talking about, right? That all the way across the board. That was like that huge line of support, or was that like up high? Yeah, that big line of support. Right, but then there's that big line of support, right? Yeah, dude, it's 60,800. Like, I don't think we're going beyond that. I think that is our line of support. If Bitcoin even drops to that, um, that's where it will be. Like, that's a wrap, and then we'll shoot back up. So that said, I mean, like, yeah, we're in a crypto little pullback, a little it looked like freak out crypto crash, um, but doubtful that it's real. And then the next line of real big support is like 58,000, and I guarantee it won't go beyond that. So we're good. Like, if you want to make some money, wait. Yeah, no kid. Holy, oh my God, dude! If you do that, look how much support there is. You could see all those purple lines of support. They're already built in. Yeah, this is pretty rock solid. Maybe that's why they took my loan. Maybe they were actually looking at they're like, "Oh, yeah, the market's fine." They're like, "Yeah, sure. Get your little 19 here, you little fuck." Oh, yeah, I think we can comment. Let me see. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So point being, whoever's watching right now, we are pulling back. The market is falling somewhat, but there is no worry whatsoever. We have lines of support at $60,800 for Bitcoin. That means we're not falling down that far. That's strong support across many levels there. Then there's a further level at extremely strong levels at 58,000. There's no way the market's falling far. It's even safe. It's safe to invest. I would say, in my personal opinion, not telling you to buy anything, but yeah, I think things are still safe to buy in the next even week or so. Maybe we'll fall down a few thousand in Bitcoin, so other altcoins could fall down in price, but that's no big deal. We're still good to go. Bitcoin is still solid as a rock. It's not going to fall hard, so I think everything's still good to go. I mean, there's support, dude. There's levels of support. Like you could see if you scroll over to the left, you see all those peaks, all those, and that solid line right there, right above 60,000. That's that's solid support. That ain't going nowhere, dude. That's across many peaks off the left and further left. That just builds support, support, support. It's not going to break 60. That's my that's my best bet. Let me put that in the chat. Will not break 60K support guaranteed. This guy doesn't know. This guy doesn't know much what he's talking about. He's only been in crypto since 2014. I wish it was yesterday. Bitcoin for freaking 400 bucks. What was the cheapest price that you paid for Bitcoin? Yeah. Fuck. I think you got into it, and then it was not much longer you got me into it. Because I'm pretty sure I bought my first one for 450 or 500 and and sold it like 2 weeks later. It didn't work at the time. I lost 50 bucks, but I didn't care. I didn't know what it was. But I'm super happy that it had exposure then, because then when it started going up again, it made me really, I already knew about it, and I was like, okay, let me really delve in, because then it was like 1100 or something, and then yeah, I know, yeah, the chat's for sure working. I commented a couple times. You could see it, right? I don't care. I don't care to be big. But yeah, dude, where's the market going? There's like everybody and everybody that's of all three people that are watching. Uh, we have the market pulling back. Bitcoin is crashing, but it's fine. There's serious lines of support at 60,000 and 60,800. We're not going to fall far. We're good to go. That looks bloody. But zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. And that's it. Hold on. What's the uh, yeah, I mean, it might fall to 60. Dude, my concern is dude, my concern is the altcoins. Like, how far are they gonna get, like, wrecked? Because that's a lot of immature people, including myself, but, uh, they, uh, they could fall, because when Bitcoin falls, they tend to freak out. Yeah, Doji. What's up, Doge? Huh? Oh, yeah, it's still at 25, dude. I just sold it, like, 28, but or 27.7, but we'll see. Who knows? If the market pulls back more, then Doge will drop some more, obviously, but again, we're talking no, dang, that little monster came alive. What a monster! Just in the last, oh my god, like we're talking just in the last few days, it's just exploded. Chart does not look that awesome, but just as far as like what I see, it'll probably come down some more. But there ain't no telling. Like I was just saying, like I don't know. I was gonna say, just like I was saying, like as far as Bitcoin, we guarantee. Like as far as my opinion is, it's not going to drop below 60K. Um, and it's going to take off after that. The whole market will recover quickly. So yeah, you're right. Maybe I should buy my Doge back. I know, but yeah, I could buy more. I could buy more, like an extra 300 Doge or whatever. Then be funny if Doge is the biggest gainer of 2000 or of 2021. Freaking ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Those bonkers. What else do we got, dude? I think everybody's probably a little freaking out right now. What is the market look like? What's CoinGecko? What's Bitcoin? Really? Oh, 61,294. It's fine. Finance is solid. I mean, they're centralized, so it allows them to do a lot more. They make transactions faster. They're not trying to distribute it out to 1,000 different computers all across the world. It makes it easier for them to make that compute quickly. Um, Also, I mean, there's disadvantages to being super decentralized because what if a company like I don't know, just what if they don't want all their transactions so public? Oh man, we're screwed. It's done. It's over. It's no, I'm not. It's ruined. Mark, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna get rid of. I only have $200 in crypto, and I'm gonna sell it now. So it's no need for this. Oh yeah, I think I loaned out. I think I borrowed like 220 grand, but it's fine. Pay those back, profit. You got a referral bonus? That's not bad. I think I just seen it at $1.61, so it might be bounced back up. I could be incorrect though. Maybe it was $1.71. Yeah, it had to been because it's dropping. It's kind of due for a correction. I mean, it had just a monumental pump. Re- really? You have some problems today. Yeah, the guy at BTC logo on his cap can't be heard. Ah, sorry. Probably my internet's too slow, I guess. Right. Hmm. Not sure what I could do. Hmm. Hello. Let me try. Let me testing. Oh, yours is messed up.
How about now? I think I had mute on. Does that work? Holy
Ooh,
crap.
man.
Sorry, guys. I don't know how I was on mute.
Really?
I guess so. It's lighting up now. It wouldn't lighten up before. You guys hear me now? How about you, Harry C? Can you hear me? Now, okay, good. We're good.
Nice.
Awesome.
What?
Well, shoot. Should we recap everything? Wow. I'm glad. Thank you for someone being here and telling us that we weren't audible. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, guys. More of this content to come. Yeah, we were talking about Bitcoin market crashing. Temporarily, it's a temporary pullback. We're not talking about long term. There's too much support. It hasn't dropped past this ever. So we should be fine. Let me scroll back out here. Short term, we were thinking that we should be fine as long as it doesn't drop below $60,800 as our support. If it does, which is getting close, then it could continue to go further down. We don't want that to happen. Mike, what do you feel about Polkadot? We didn't talk about that on any of the streams yet.
Oh, I like it.
You don't like it?
Just fucking around, man. Polkadot's cool. It's like a thing. Like people think it's like a competitor for Ethereum. It's not really. Like it's really like supposedly like a side chain, like an additive, something that's supposed to help Ethereum. So I'm interested. I haven't bought any, but I think that's because I feel like I missed the boat. I was interested in so many other altcoins before, good ones that I did like really well with. So
I felt like I was missing the boat on that too. I did buy in at like $12, but I didn't do like a big investment.
I told you I was going to buy 10 of them or something, and then you bought some.
Yeah, I didn't. It wasn't a huge investment.
I 20 of them I should have, but they're fine. Polkadot's cool. They're going to build out some cool shit. I think Kusama is interesting.
Really?
Yeah, building on. It's like a sidechain thing on Polkadot. It's supposedly like going to be pretty wicked. So it's interesting and it's expensive, but it's going to be a beast. And it went from like $1 or $2 in a year to like $480. It's that good.
Wow.
Yeah.
The question came in, next serious support for Bitcoin. I think we talked about it earlier. So after the 60,800, which was getting close to that.
I mean, 60,800 is support, and then is 60,000. Like 60,000 looks pretty solid. You can see those lines.
Yeah.
If you zoom in, like.
Yeah.
And explain it, Corey, like, you can see it, like.
You can see the bounces where, like, it tested these levels before on the upside, so they're the same levels on the downside.
Right. It's tested those levels many times, so that is how you can, you can see that support, and that's how you can tell, like, so hey, if we crash down to that level, like, it's strong. It's really strong right there to bounce.
Right. So we see these bounces at these levels right here, and it didn't drop below that, so we know this was the short-term low for that run. And then it matched it, but it didn't break lower. It actually went green. And then it went lower. It's going a little bit lower now, but we're testing these resistance or support levels. So if it does break through, honestly, down to 60,000 is the next stop.
Oh, nice. Harry said 61K lowest daily support, lowest daily on Coinbase. So yeah, that makes sense. Maybe they'll just stop there. Yeah.
Let's take a look back at CoinGecko.
So it's at 61.3 or 61.4, 61.3.
Yeah.
It's still looking good, dude. It's still looking really good. I'm just curious when I should buy. I still want to buy, so I have like
Okay.
20K. I want to
Well,
throw.
I mean, just think if it does hypothetically break this, I would set it a buy like around like 60 and 500, 60,500. I would personally, if you're looking to get in. It might not fill, but if it does, you're still in a safe region where it doesn't bounce off that support yet. It can still go a little bit lower and then come back up.
Dude, I wonder how low Doge will go. Is it at like a quarter still?
Yeah,
Is it?
it is. Still up 88% for the day.
That's unreal. Wow. I'm surprised it's holding there. There must be so much freaking
The people that are buying it aren't selling it. They're all young cats. They're coming in on TikTok.
money. They think it's going to go to $1 at minimum or $10 or something crazy. So they're like, no, it's fine. That's interesting.
And it might go there if they have that much influence on all these youngsters. Which, if you like Mark Cuban said, his son, I don't know how old he is. I think he's like 12 or so. Was buying Dogecoin. He's like, why do you want Dogecoin? He's like, that's what they're talking about on TikTok. So he's like, I don't know why I want it. So he helped him buy it. He bought it. He's like, it's not very good investment advice, but whatever. But maybe it is investment advice for the next generation. It's just mass. It's all about mass adoption. If everybody's buying something, the value's going to go up. Yeah, you're reading comments over here. Yeah, this little widget is working now. I'm glad that we got this time because last time we couldn't see the comments at all.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty good.
So where do we think this will go? Dogecoin? Let's see. I mean, it looks like I said, I think it's still on an upward trajectory. I think it's going to keep going.
Oh, wait, that's staying that high. Like I said, I just sold a few pennies above that, so that's very tempting to get back into. Oh, I'm gonna watch. It's 25 flat, 25 cents. So it's creeping down. We'll see.
Yeah. We need to find some music to fill in the gaps here, so it's not just silence.
Yeah.
We were full energy on the first one.
Oh yeah, look at E support. Somebody's just asking for E support. That's totally. Thank you, Ruby.
Yeah,
Shout out to Ruby.
we could probably find it. Let's just do this.
It's a good idea. I'm curious. I think it holds some ETH too.
You think he holds some ETH? Yeah, I'd say so.
Hold the ETH.
All the ETH. This is okay. This is the all-time. This is the max chart. So coming in.
Oh, go back to that last one if you could. Kind of could see.
This is the last bull run.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Go back.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think there's a delay. So whenever I stop, you're still seeing a couple seconds where I was ago.
Yeah, we want to see. Yeah, we want to see up close.
We want to see current time frame, right?
Yeah, I mean, whatever the last few days or weeks were like, so we could see the levels of the support levels.
Okay.
Ethereum support levels. If we zoom in a little bit, let's see. I can't see it from here.
This is all 2021.
I mean, really solid ones at 2100. Is that what it says? I can't see it. Yeah, around 2100, we have really solid support for ETH, 2100. But I don't think we'll go there. It looks like there's some at 2300, guaranteed at 2100, proven. But temporarily, it could go to 2300. But again, everything in the market goes on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not going beyond 60. So as long as everything chills out and watches Bitcoin and doesn't drastically drop, everything will be okay.
I think the actual if Bitcoin wasn't a factor, the chart's telling me this is the range where you would see your next level of support.
Where?
Right here. So there's a up.
Oh.
How many times it's gone through this up and down right here, this little section here?
Where the 2130? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Roughly 2100.
Yeah, it's a lot of support there.
Super support, dude. Gangster support. But that sucks, dude. I mean, that's a 20% drop.
Yeah. No, I don't think it will go there. I'm just saying that's like a wall. It's a brick wall.
Huh?
That's a brick wall though. Like it's gonna be hard to break through that. There's gonna be a lot of volume.
Yeah, definitely. So super strong support for Ethereum, right at the 6100, 6130 level. And then back to BTC. Again, if as long as BTC holds up at 60K, I mean, we'll probably see that strong ETH support at that other drop at like 21 or what is that? 2330, 2320.
Ruby says, I got in at 1525. I think that's a good price to get in at. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really good price.
Ruby's rocking.
Yeah.
Ruby's low.
I mean, I think it's going to go to 2,500 before it's going to go to 1,500 again. So you're safe. It's going to go up.
Yeah.
Freaking shoe. Sorry, guys. Let's see here. Let's go back to some topics here. See if we want to talk about any of the stuff that we were talking about earlier. Biggest gained coin for this year. You talked about earlier with the RSR. You want to talk about that?
Oh yeah, dude. We gotta flip over to the site if you want to check it out. But I had the prediction that RSR reserve rights token will actually freaking rip. They just have like serious connections. So if they've already built these corridors in different companies, if one has already done that and already has like a team of rock stars to have these like open doors and these open corridors and connections, it just makes sense that could happen again with this same type of environment, crypto environment. Number one right there that we got the cursor on, Coinbase obviously, and then Coinbase Ventures, they're investing in this project. Second of all, Peter Thiel is a freaking beast. He was one of the very first investors of Facebook and invested, $500,000 and like a private investment in one of the very first investors, and also created PayPal. So now also we've got cryptos listed on PayPal, and then we've got Coinbase, and then who else? Jack Selby down and to the left, just one to the left. That slick hair guy with the mic, he's also a co-creator of PayPal. It's insane, dude. It's insane, the lineup, dude, of investors in this project. And they'll probably be advisors as well. So if they're creating PayPal and they help fund Facebook and all these things, and Coinbase is involved, we have 3 guaranteed freaking like a trifecta of rock stars plus all these other investors. Insane, dude. That has potential. We're talking 10 cents, 9 cents for a coin right now. It could be $2. For me, that's a win. I was in for like at like 3 cents or 5 cents and kept buying because of that team.
Pretty low price for the market cap, you know.
Yeah, I mean they do have a lot of coins, but that's like potentially buying Ripple at like 9 cents when it was in 2017 before it went to $3.80.
What's Ripple? What happened to Ripple?
Right now, probably like $1.60, $1.50 or something.
$1.67. Oh, hey, now we got an update here. They didn't, SEC is oh, I thought that was new. That's been there.
What?
I thought that was new. They're saying that it was SEC charge with Ripple. I thought that was saying that it was over, but no, that'd been awesome.
That'd be epic. Get over with. Dude, it looks like Bitcoin recovered a little bit. It went from 61.6 to 61.45. Kirby says, is that concerning? To buy, to have 96% of revenue from transaction fees of Coinbase. No, I mean, I don't think that's concerning. We're talking about a company that was founded on the premise of we're going to sell you coins at a premium, and that's our service, you know. So they're just doing the thing. They're just selling the coins at a premium and they're making the fees, and that's where they're founded. They're just super, super opportunistic, I think, and I think that they were really smart and they got into something that was really, really a booming thing, and they got in early and they started selling it and became a very trusted source that sold it. So yeah, I think they were pretty smart. That's their service. They sell Bitcoin and all these other coins and Ethereum and stuff, and they charge fees. Yeah, if that is the sole purpose of their service, and that's where they're getting the sole purpose of their revenue, it makes perfect sense to me. You know? But yeah, guys, hit the freaking likes. Shit, we're trying to get freaking noticed, dude. So try and hit the likes right now so we can try and get this algorithm going. And most importantly, what we're trying to do really is just give away awesome free information. It's me, my name is Mike, and then my buddy Corey over here that I've known for freaking years. He got me first invested in freaking crypto 5 years ago. He got started like 6 years ago. Anyways, we're trying to freaking share our knowledge. Hit the freaking likes, please, and also hit subscribe because we're trying to grow. Like, we want to hit this, you know what I mean? We want to share our information, most importantly. And we can do that. We can seriously do that. I personally think from my experiences, my losses, my gains, everything, I can definitely add some knowledge to a lot of new people, even people that are 5 years in. I may know more than you. Maybe we can learn from each other. Share some shit in the freaking comments, guys. You got freaking comments. You got questions about the market. Let us know. Right now we're looking at, again, Bitcoin support. We're looking at roughly 61,000, 61 or 60,000 solid support. ETH, we're looking at solid support at what, 2,100? I mean, I think we're still good. People, I guarantee some people are freaking out. I'm really
There's always going to be people freaking out. The people that just bought it, you know, of course they're freaking out because they're like, gosh, every time I buy it, freaking the price goes down. Yeah. Which it feels like that a lot of times.
I'm seriously surprised that ETH is holding 25 cents. Like, I thought that.
Oh, Doge? You mean Doge?
Yeah. My apologies. Yeah, Doge. Because I'm thinking new investors, and if they're all investors and stuff. But you know what?
They're not investors. They're all young kids.
Dude, you don't understand. This is just a revelation that just came to you. What if they're not new investors?
Do you hear this, guys? This is a revelation. Pay attention.
What if they're Wall Street bets, and that's why it's holding at 25 cents for Doge? Because new investors would cave. They would be selling if they saw the market started to pull back. They've seen it go from 29 cents to 25. I don't know, man. Maybe it is Wall Street, but I heard they got into crypto. Maybe they're fucking seriously pumping the shit out of freaking Doge.
Somebody is. A lot of people are pumping Doge.
That's what I'm saying, and it takes a lot of money to get a freaking $32.3 billion market cap. So, yeah, probably the old Wall Street that's fucking crushing it. Cycle end date? Ruby wants to know when the cycle end date is.
Depends who you ask. A lot of people are saying September, October. Some people are saying February of next year. Some people are saying there is no end. I think it's, if people are telling you a certain date, I would recommend selling a little bit before that, because they might be telling you a date to benefit themselves. Personally, I'm going to reevaluate everything in July, and until then, I'm just going to keep buying.
Yeah.
July 4th, there's fireworks. That's when I'm gonna look at my investments and say, what can I sell now? What's my long term goal? I'm gonna reevaluate then. But for now, next couple 3-4 months, stockpile this crypto.
Yep. Yep. I think ending, according to my calculations, are September 14th. That is when Bitcoin will peak. That is based on the calculation of golden bull ratio. You can Google that. You can see some charts. You can make sense of it yourself. There's a few different versions that I've seen. What makes sense to me is September 14th. And that's just my honest to God opinion. I'm not trying to pre-bake in anything. We'll see. Other channels that I've watched, huge channels, say the end of September. There's the golden bull ratio. So it measures a cycle from, excuse me, it measures a bull cycle from the bottom of the halving to the halving to the
halving, which happens every 4 years, which we know that's why Bitcoin is on a 4-year cycle, where prices pump about a year after they have, right? There's actual, I don't know the actual number, but there's a number you can actually boil it down to, like a certain number of days after a halving when it starts to spike. But it's about a year, roughly.
Yeah. The perfect ratio each time is 51% from the bottom to the halving, and then a 49% from the halving to the top. This one's off. I've looked at this one before, and then I looked at other ones.
Yeah.
But this one is off because even if you look at the numbers on that last cycle, it's like it's not 51.49 when all the other ones are 51.49. You know? But if you look at the other ones, I calculated again September, middle of September, which is super early. I understand that, but that is when Bitcoin will peak, more than likely. Then we'll see altcoins go for like another 4 or 5, 6 weeks at max, guessing at peaks, you know. So roughly a month after that. So then we look at middle of October, maybe by Halloween, end of October, everything's done for the altcoins, but Bitcoin will peak mid-September.
That's going off of historical trends. We don't know exactly what will happen. One thing that I have learned in crypto, anytime that I find a trend and I'm like, oh, it happened 3 times, this is going to happen again, it freaking changes. Maybe by a day, maybe by a month, it changes to where I'm off. So take that with a grain of salt with any type of historical patterns. It could change. It's just we're going off of things that we've seen. Like I said, we've been in this since 2014, 15. We've seen bull market, bear market, and we're in a bull market again. So.
Yep, exactly. And another question, Matt. Shout out to Matt. He said, "Do you guys think there is a lot of pumping with the capital P in XRP? It jumped a lot this week. Yeah, obviously pumping, but it depends on what you mean when you say pumping. Like, are you talking about like artificial pumping or like like pump and dump stuff or like what? But
I think it's
I
real
don't know.
money. It's real money. It's hard to get XRP for me. Like, if I wanted to buy it, I couldn't just go to Coinbase like I would buy some other coins, or a lot of exchange, Binance. You can't even get it on there anymore. There's only certain exchanges that have it right now. So it's kind of like a limited club. Like who's in this club? You know what I mean? So if you can get in. Once they're over with this SEC charge, once this bullshit wraps up, and the U.S. markets open up, XRP should pump. But I don't think this is artificial pumping. I think this is real people recognizing that this is going to go well, and XRP's, for them, it's going to turn out well, and it's going to pump. It's prediction,
Right.
you know.
And I'm not like a gigantic XRP fan, whatnot, because of many reasons. But anyways, I can still recognize there will be pump, there will be value, there will be gains made on this coin. I looked at it in the last cycle in 2017. It pumped from like half a penny to almost $4 to like 375 to 380. 340. It depends on which website you're looking at. But seriously, if we're talking almost four, if we're talking $3.50, if we're talking 380, we're talking like 700 times gain. So every $1,000 you would have put in, you could have had $700,000. So I looked at that. That's why I put some in. If it has some kind of gain like that this year, even if it has half that, if it has a 350x gain, it'll be gigantic. So we have to wait and see.
Here's a question. I'm sorry. Here's another question. Mike says, "What do you think the peak crypto market cap will be this cycle?"
Oh, that's a good one. Peak market cap this cycle, I'm looking at like realistically and conservatively, I'm looking at like 6 trillion.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's like a 3x from now, right? Where are we at? 2.2?
Yeah, but I think it will actually go higher. But I think 6 is very conservative. I think Moon Boy status, which it probably will go nuts in Pumpy state, we're talking 10 to 10, like 10 trillion.
Okay, there's some I guess shilling here. Somebody's asking about. They said they made 500% gains this week on Freecoin, and the run isn't over. Let's see if this is on CoinGecko.
Is that coin free? Can I get some free coin?
Sounds like it should be, or it was to somebody. Free. Oh, that's not spelled differently.
Give me 500,000 free coin.
Check out Freecoin. First cross-chain coin. Cross-chain, it would probably be. Well, it's probably not the first cross-chain coin. That doesn't sound right. But maybe between ERC and BNB, because they're so similar. They're written in the same language. Don't mess up this coin. It sounds like a lot of shilling. I couldn't find free FREE coin. Maybe it's not listed on CoinGecko. That's the only place I'm going to check for it, though. So.
Dude, he has a great name, dude. D-Sack. Shout out to D-Sack, dude.
D's nuts.
Shout out to D's nuts, dude.
eToro has XRP, huh? That sounds. I don't know how that flies, because it should be temporarily banned because of SEC lawsuit. eToro's U.S. I think it's a U.S. exchange.
Okay. It's some different exchange probate.
eToro.
This is insane. I gotta raise some question. Be right back.
Alright. I do have XRP though. I did see that right here. I don't have. Oh yeah, I've seen these commercials. eToro it's got to be a U.S. based company, but I don't have any eToro account. If you want to send me a referral link, go ahead, drop it in the link in the comments. Probit exchange, yeah, I do have Probit, but I don't know. It's harder to get XRP than it was in the past. I've had it before. I've had it a few times, and I've always bought it high and sold it low, and I just leaves a bad taste in my mouth. I won't buy it again. But Mike really loves XRP.
No.
Yes, you do. I won't buy it, but I mean, I think it's going to be a gainer. Just because I bought it at the wrong time and sold at the wrong time doesn't mean it doesn't look like it's going to fucking do well. It looks like it's going to do great. But like I said in the past, when you buy a coin, you want to make sure it's something you fully want to buy. Like it's like you bought it because it was your reason, your decision, not because someone else said, "Hey, get in this coin." We're not here to make you jump into anything. We're just trying to tell you our honest opinions.
Get this coin, XRP.
Yeah, get it. If you can get it, find it. It's like a Pokemon. They're rare. You gotta.
I wish you could find it on Uphold.
Now you said they're on eToro and they're on what else was it? Probit, which I've got that exchange. Have you heard of digital yuan? Yen? I don't know. Yuan. Sounds like trouble for the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar is going to have some trouble either way because they keep printing the shit out of it and giving it away. I'm not sure what the digital yuan is. I guess I think China, they're talking about going to their own digital currency for the whole country, right?
They already did. Pretty sure.
I've heard about it. I'm not really.
I think they did like a year ago. I'm not in China, but
yeah, I'm not super knowledgeable about it.
But I will be.
Do I think it'll hurt the U.S. dollar though? I think the U.S. dollar, they should have already made their own.
They're trying to.
Yeah, they should.
Because they're so much ahead of us on it. Yeah, it could. I've already heard a lot about this.
Yeah, well, I think the U.S. should have their own digital currency, even if it's not like to replace the U.S. dollar. Have it there for something, like maybe just for settling debts overseas or something. Something where it's gonna be fast and 24/7. You don't need the bank to be open to get it.
More transparent, reduce corruption. All the dollars are tracked on the blockchain, so there's no like politicians lying in their pockets. A lot of things, dude. It's immense.
DSAC, thanks for the advice and the tips here. We'll check out Probit and the free coin. Honestly, if it's free, I guess you're earning it based off your trades, which is fine. Can you buy XRP on Uphold? Oh, Mike said that. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, turn on notification bells. This is our first day of doing these types of videos. We've been in crypto for a long time, but we want to get into this where we can start sharing our knowledge and our mishaps. So maybe it'll help out new investors along their way. We've already been through these battles. Why should you suffer through things that we've already learned about when we can just tell you, hey, don't buy that, that's a pump and dump, or don't buy that, it's a scam, or look for these red flags when you're looking at these coins. Don't just buy because it's up. You want to buy when it's down. Predict the future. Which coin do you guys own right now? Fuck. Bitcoin, obviously, Ethereum. A lot of the top 10 coins we own: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP. Tether a little bit because we have to when we take loans. Cardano, Polkadot, Doge. Honestly, we have all these: Litecoin, Uniswap, Chainlink. I don't have any Stellar or File. That's where the list stops for me. And then I got some EOS from last bull run.
Yeah, you know what I meant? You know what's probably going to be a hitter? Band.
Pancake. Band?
Yeah.
Let me see, Band.
Just because it's like
$20.
the second will point after chain link, and if chain link's ripped, like tears off,
I
fan
forgot
will.
about this. Yeah, they were a Chainlink competitor, but they came after Chainlink, right?
Yeah, I bought 10 of them for $5 each, Coinbase,
Oh, they're on
like
Coinbase Pro. Nice.
12 months ago.
Okay, exchange. eToro. Yeah, I need to get an eToro account. Somebody send me a link so I can get a referral fee. Or referral bonus, whatever. Yeah, Ethereum upgrade today didn't go so well. I mean, I guess it did. It didn't seem like it affected the price of exchanging coins on ERC20. The GUI, I saw at one time today was at like 300 GUI, and I tried to make an exchange of $130 in some bullshit coin, and the fee was $130 as well. So I was like, no way. But I checked later, and with the GUI like this, it was like a $50 fee. So it is better, but still too high for my liking. I don't like trading ERC20 tokens just because of the damn fee.
Oh, the Uniswap? Dude, the BSC is way to go. The Binance Smart Chain is so much cheaper.
So cheap. It's like 12 cents. So
I don't understand why that's not getting more coverage. Like, why is there not people pumping YouTube videos about that?
That's a good question. Maybe we should be the guys to do that. AMP price prediction. Let me see. Give us a spike like crypto. You're writing this. Mike, I'm seeing your comments. I'm thinking you're one of the viewers here. AMP price prediction. You know, I don't have any AMP. Do you have any AMP?
I don't know about it.
It's 83 on the top 100, so it's not a super low cap. 1.5 billion market cap. 11 million.
What's the tokenomics? What's the purpose?
That's sure you AMP token. They're an ERC20 token.
People say this
Collateral.
time, truth is it's never different. When you see BTC projections, 100K, market cap, X trillion, bull run until October, well, you know it's time to enter stablecoins till correction.
Well, not exactly. Yes. I would say get out before. If everybody's saying October, I would say exit before then. Kindly don't say nothing. Just exit from it. But not fully, for one.
This is the thing. I think this, and I firmly believe this. If you dollar cost average in, if that's a strategy, then why not have a dollar cost average out strategy?
Right. Yeah.
And for like time it for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, whatever you're comfortable with, or 1 week, where each day you're pulling stuff out because you're like, this is the top. The next day you wake up, this is the top. You're pulling out
Smart.
20%, 15%. You know what I mean? In chunks. And you can even level it up. I'm going to pull out 10% the first day, 20% the next day, 30% the next day. You know, whatever works for you. If you're feeling at the top, then it's time to go.
Yeah.
But
also, one thing I'd like to say also, every time I've sold Bitcoin, I've always regretted it because the price kept going up. You just got to find a spot where you want to get out and be happy with it.
But that's what I was going to get to. What do you want to get out into? So you can get out into BTC. You could just all trade it in BTC, and then like take a chunk of that money, like 20% of it or whatever, to like enter in your bank account and have spending money. You know. So that's what I'm potentially going to do, or half and half, or whatever works for you, like you said before. You know.
Yeah. I mean, if you only need X amount of dollars to live per month, and you've got it in your crypto like tenfold or whatever, yeah, maybe pull out that much every month or every, if you want to do it every week. You just make it a set rate to where you're happy with it, but you still have some skin in the game in case it takes off the other direction and flies.
Exactly. Like if this market is different, like there could just be a less of a pullback because of the diamond hands of the hedge funds and Michael Saylor and all these big hands, you know.
Yeah. This guy's saying if you do dollar cost average, like just started a few weeks ago, and then a major dump occurs, you won't have time to get out. Um, that's the thing. So if you buy in that late, you don't get out this cycle. Like you're gonna be stuck holding bags, unfortunately. But eventually, in the next 4 years or whenever the next cycle is, it's gonna go up. So yeah, you don't want to get stuck holding a bag, but I'd rather hold a bag of Bitcoin than any other shit coin. Because I know it's going to go up. In my lifetime, I think Bitcoin's going to be worth $1 million a piece.
If you it says if you just started dollar cost averaging, maybe like if you just started, who the heck is just now just dollar cost? Actually, fine. Actually, let's take that. If you just now just started dollar cost averaging, you'd be fine. You would be actually fine. If we're going to pump for 6 months, if we're talking just like we're talking September, October, you can still make a ton of money.
Yeah, because we predict the price is going to go up. If you're saying that you bought a few weeks ago and then you kept buying every week, and then it does dump and it goes down from here, and it doesn't come back up. Yeah.
You make as much,
of course.
Still become this hold.
But also, if you just started a few weeks ago, you won't have that much money into it, so it's not like you've put 4 or 5 years of investing into it.
To exit. Point being, it says you will not have enough time to exit. You will have plenty of time to exit because the exit is 6 months from now, potentially.
Yeah, you just gotta hold. You just gotta hold through the little micro dips.
Yeah, hold through the micro dips. It's fine. It's fine if you buy in a local top and then it dips down 20% or 30%, and then 2 months later you're up 50%. You know what I mean, or up 100%.
Yeah.
So you have 2 times your money. You know what I mean? So for right now, we know guaranteed for the last at least 3 Bitcoin cycles over 12 years. Each cycle has been 4 years, and it's mostly been 3 years of bull, and then it's 3 years of bear and 1 year of bull. Right now we're looking at the same. We're looking at 3 years of bear, and now we are experiencing almost a half year of bull, and potentially another half year of bull. You know. So let's see if that's the case. You have tons of time to get out, and you get dollar cost average out over a week or two in September or October or whatever. You'd be fine.
Yeah, you should be fine. Like you said, if you're dollar cost averaging in, and you want to get out, dollar cost average out, and that way, if you do get out when it's red this week, next week it'll be green when you're pulling some more out. So just don't do it all at once.
Yeah, so like you're riding the peak. You're trying to ride the peak. So like you picture little dots on the peak, and you're trying to ride the peak on the week or the day or 2 or 3 or 4 the week before, and you're riding the peak. And if you did a 3-week dollar cost average out because you can't time it perfect, then you have all these dots all over the peak. You ride the first part of the peak, the top of the peak, and the bottom. I have another good friend that's really in. He has 700 grand in crypto, and he is firm to believe that he's going to watch Bitcoin crash to 25% underneath its peak. And once after it's that high, and like in this area where we think the peak is 300, 500 grand or whatnot, and it crashes 25% from that, then he pulls out everything.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
And he said that's the best way to time it. Interesting dude. I think I sent you his phone call before, Corey.
Oh yeah, that guy. Yeah.
But yeah, that's how he times it. If you listen to the whole phone call, that's what he said. That's his exit. But then he also he's planning on hitting the bounce. Like if it drops, 25%, he gets out. He expected to probably drop another, more percent, 20%, 30%, 50%, whatever, and then get back in. Ruby AIOZ. What's up, Ruby? Shout out to Ruby. Thank you for that. Yes.
Yes.
AIOT. Yeah, I definitely actually have
Yes,
some of
you
that.
do.
And you do too?
No, I remember you told me about this one like 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah, AIOZ for sure. Because my interest is that it's super cool. It shows on my Twitter that Mr. Beast invested.
Oh, yes.
Mr. Beast has like 16 million freaking subs on YouTube. So for me,
Just for that reason alone, he's gonna have followers checking this coin out. You know?
that's what I'm saying. So like that. You're right. So like when crypto pumps like hard and like people are all jumping in, they're gonna be like, oh no kidding, Mr. Beast, and he has this huge following. Yeah, that's going to work probably. Plus, also I like that it's cool that they're trying to do with Theta. They're trying to just take the market cap with Theta. So they're doing content delivery network. It's to me it's solid. We'll see. It's still low cap, so it's still risky. So,
Oh yeah,
but I
sure
think
is.
people will jump on and they'll probably multiply in value.
Do you know any like low cap websites where you can find any cool stuff?
Yeah, someone I slapped together. It's called coinlowcap.com.
Coin low cap. Oops, spelled it wrong. This little project he was working on or is working on, and be sure to check out some DeFi, some low cap goodies here. I bought a couple of them, and I'd say
all panned out, dude. I started this like 6 months ago, but most of these have seriously
I know.
panned out.
I'd say like I bought like 4 or 5 of these, and only one of them didn't perform well. The rest of them actually did like 4x's or more. That remember Uniland? Oh, jeez, that was like 30 cents.
Ruby's asking DeFi season. Yeah, seriously, I was just talking about that in another video I did on another channel, and seriously, yes, we could be entering like another DeFi fall season for sure. I mean, look at Aave. It's pumped. It's pumped like a lot. Chainlink is up. And really, honestly, I'm looking for a sick friggin' pump from Chainlink. I think it could be coming. Because they have Chainlink Marines. They're strong. Um, see, Aave up over, especially over like just a week. It's like up a lot. Chainlink Marines, super strong army, super strong Marines, and I think they're gonna pump the hell out of that. They pumped it from like $1 to like $30 when there was the other DeFi season. So I think that DeFi season is gonna roar again. Other coins like Ren, a low cap that I'm looking at, and I've actually bought some is Uniland, UFT. They're freaking interesting because they're doing what Aave's done. They're just doing with every ERC20 token, sort of like a Uniswap where you can actually just take the contract for the token and immediately start lending on it as soon as it's an ERC20 token. So that is super cool too.
Very nice. I know me and you both own a lot of Chainlink. What do you think about Chainlink?
Dude, Link is sick. I think I sold like 300 Linkies. Dude, Stinky Linkies, as Chico Crypto says.
Chico Crypto.
Dude, he's sick. He knows his stuff. He's like really like alpha intel for crypto.
Yeah,
and he knows what's up. Dude, Link, yes. Ruby, yes.
Yeah, she knows. Ruby knows where it's at.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I think Link could be a beast. Like we're talking like $900 or something like in peak. We'll see. But I don't doubt it because Link has just got its claws in everything. And now also provide data for NFTs.
Oh yeah, what's the deal with NFTs? What's it doing? I mean, I know it's like an oracle for all these different
It's an oracle to provide all these price data, so why not have all price data for NFTs? You know?
Oh shit! Celsius runs on this.
think it's a monster, dude. Like I said, that's what I mean. Think of a coin. What coins have been super popping when we weren't even bull season with crypto or with Bitcoin and everything yet? Like crazy. So we're gonna have that again. We're gonna definitely have another all season. The Chainlink will be a monster in it.
Yeah. Now, also, like last time, I remember there was only like a couple of days or maybe like 2 weeks where like we're at the top, and then it was just started crashing. Like not super fast, but it wasn't going up anymore. Like you know what I mean? Like there was just like a 2 week window where I'm like, yeah, like this is freaking awesome. And then for Bitcoin at least, and then it just started going down. So I think once we get to our top, it's not going to be like a long, like a month top. It's going to be a couple days, maybe a couple weeks. You'll notice when there's going to be a sharp correction, and I'd look for that. So Mike, you said your buddy was talking about a 25% correction. I mean, if we get a 25% correction, that's pretty huge. I would look for something like that.
Yeah, for instance, that means if we go to 400K for Bitcoin and then it goes to 300, time to bail.
Time to get out. Yeah.
That's for Bitcoin.
Right.
That means a lot of other like money will flow out of Bitcoin. People take all the profits from Bitcoin and go into alts, like heavy hitters, like Ethereum, and it'll roll down the hill like Link and definitely Cardano and definitely probably Ripple or XRP and downhill. It'll just keep rolling.
Right. I don't know. I think I'm kind of running out of gas here, man. It's getting about 2:30 a.m. here where we're at.
I'm completely bushed. I have to work.
I have to work at 8 a.m. as well.
Yeah, what?
I gotta wake up and work at 8.
Oh, Jesus. At
But,
8 a.m. you have work?
I have to clock in. I'm not gonna say I have to like physically do a lot of work, but I have to be there.
No worries.
Yeah. The question is, I guess ticker 1. Let me see if we got this on. Going Harmony. Harmony. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. We'd appreciate a like, comment. Even if the live is over, leave comments. We'll check them out and we'll put them in our next video. I'm even willing to do some kind of giveaway. I've got a lot of NFTs for these NBA Top Shots. I'd be willing to give away some of these in some future videos.
No way. I want one.
You don't qualify.
Dude.
I just bought 2 packs. I bought 2 packs today of their. They had another drop, NBA Top Shots. You're only allowed to get 1 pack, but I had an account for me and an account for my wife, and I was able to get in the drop on both of them. So I got 10 cards today for like $20. And they're all heavy hitters.
No way.
I mean, they're all worth at least more than 20. So like, if a pack costs like $10, and all 5 cards are worth at least 20. One of the cards are worth like $400. So. Yeah, I did pretty well just off of NFTs.
Did you say one is worth $400?
$400. Yeah, it's a rookie card.
Yeah.
I know. So, yeah, that's something new too. These NBA Top Shots NFTs. I don't know if you have to be in the U.S. only or what the restrictions are, but
NFT.
NFT. Yeah.
Non-fungible token.
Yeah.
Freaking weird. It's crazy to me. But it's working. It's totally working. I think there's going to be different NFTs, dude. I think we're going to break beyond this like collectible of NFT phase, and there's going to be like real big use case NFTs.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. NFTs are cool. It's just, I don't know, it's just anything with art. And it could be trash, it could be a collectible. It depends on who wants to buy it. It says, hi from Portugal. You guys don't sleep. Keep up the good work. Hey, thanks. Yeah, 2:35 here, 2:36. We are going to be signing out soon, but yeah, continue to comment if you got any questions. Watch the live. Leave comments, and we'll address them on the next video. If you like, subscribe, and sign up for notifications. You'll know when we go live. I'm a night owl, so it'll be around this time, and it looks like you're awake already. So add us, and you'll get the notification when we go live. Mike, anything you want to talk about, or any other questions you guys want to talk about? Never sleep during this crypto movement.
Dude, it's an amazing movement. That's what I was going to say before. People were saying, is it too late? Okay, look, it's by far not too late. Supposedly there's only 30 million like Coinbase accounts in the United States. That means not even 1 out of 10 people understand what crypto is. They haven't bought it. None of them. So you can totally make tons of money still, in my opinion, in this crypto space. It's not too late. My other final statement is this. We're in a serious crypto movement. So my point in saying this now is the most opportune moment for us little retail guys. Like, and when I say us retail guys, I mean people that can just put in a couple $1,000s and turn it into $50,000 or $100,000. Life, we're talking about life-changing money. That is now. Okay, that was a little bit in the last crypto cycle, and it is so much now, and I don't believe it is in the next crypto cycle. So, because by then Bitcoin is going to be 500 grand, there's going to be so many coins that have already exploded. The boat has sailed. So, that's not the moment now. Like, the boat is not sailed yet. So, Ethereum, XRP, like, Cardano, like, whatever you want in the top 20 or top 50 or whatever, you believe in so much, you have to go hard now. Because now is the moment. This full cycle. Last cycle, good. This cycle, gigantic. Next cycle, maybe too
It's
freaking
just
late.
more and more people coming in. You know, each cycle you get more people learning about investing. Now, like I said, with this Dogecoin and TikTok, you get young kids investing in things that they don't know what they're investing in. But that's fine. It's a whole other generation of people. More influx of investors just keeps bumping up our prices of crypto. Um, I don't know. My mom and dad, they want to know how to buy some crypto. My brother bought some Litecoin for the first time maybe 3 months ago now. As soon as they were listed on PayPal, it's like, yeah, I'll buy some of that. So it's just spreading. You know, the people that weren't in it before are now a new wave of investors, and you'll keep seeing that until everyone knows about Bitcoin, or everyone at least has some, or wants some, or has some kind of crypto.
I mean, it's going to happen either way. It's just a smart thing to get involved now because so many people will get involved later.
It's by choice right now. Yeah, get in now when, as you know of it. If you don't get in, you're going to regret it.
More than likely.
I'll just say that. I've had many friends that each time Bitcoin price goes up, they're like, hey, how do I get Bitcoin? Well, you called me the wrong day. The price is really high right now. You should have called me, you know, like last month when I was talking to you about it or something. You know, like they always want it when it's high because people have the fear of missing out, FOMO. They're like, no, it's really high.
That is just a testament. That just goes to show you that that's when most people get in.
Right.
So, like, right now, the price is not even high. Like, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for XRP, for Cardano, for all these main coins, they seem so low. So, for us experienced guys. So we're buying them. I'm still buying now. I bought 20 grand for the crypto yesterday. I'm buying more today. So these prices are fine. Yeah, we're still super early. The majority of people, as in we're talking 80%, 70, 80% of people, will come flowing in when the prices are soaring. and that'll make the prices soar even more. So for us right now, we're gold. Like, still definitely a great time to buy.
Yeah. Yep. Any final thoughts for today, guys? Any questions?
That's it, guys. Like, please, seriously, hit us with a freaking like spike, man. Seriously, nail us with some likes. We want to, and seriously, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna grow this thing. Like, we have 10,000 subs right now, and we are growing. We want to seriously have you guys with us, and we want to help you make money in cryptocurrency.
Right.
BNT, what's up, Ruby?
Yes, coming in with some heaters.
But yeah, seriously, guys, join the freaking channel. And we may change the name soon, but seriously, if you subscribe now, then you can guarantee you stay with us.
Right. Awesome, guys. Well, thanks for being here. I'm not sure when we'll do another live, but I'm thinking the next couple days we'll get something squared away, and stay tuned.